Hello everyone. In this lesson we are trying to understand generic routing concept. Generic routing means with one route multiple action methods should be able to be executed. See, in this example we have created specific routing. That means for one action method one route we have created. But imagine a real-time application that has hundreds of controllers and thousands of action methods. If you need to create that many routes, that's too difficult, right? So instead of having a separate route for each action methods, we can have only one route that works for all the action methods of all the controllers. That is called generic routing. So I am removing all these routes, and here the route name can be anything. Just here we have to specify the controller and action as a parameter. The parameter is represented inside the curly braces. That means in this place any controller name we are able to enter. After the slash, any action name we are able to enter. So at that time you need not target a specific controller and a specific action method, and we can remove this defaults part. Only URL is enough because it contains enough information including the controller name and the action name. So at runtime this controller name can be anything. For example, controller1/action1, controller2/action4. It can be any controller name, any action name, whichever you want to call. So that's it. No need of making any changes to the controller1 and controller2 methods. So directly we can run this program. Now we have to enter the URL as controller1/action1. So it will go to specific controller, specific action method. We can also try controller1/action2, controller1/action3, controller2/action4, and so on. So we have understood generic routing in this lesson, and in the next lesson we are going to understand how to define default values for the parameters. Thank you. We will meet in the next lesson.